Hey, hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. Happy Friday to you all. I'll tell you what, this thing was sure a challenge to trade today. I would have been better off if I just didn't even trade after yesterday's big move. We were looking at the NASDAQ, well, micro NASDAQ on a daily time frame. We attempted a recovery, made it partway into the cloud, fell back from there, ended up closing lower than the cloud for the week. So it still remains to be seen what in the heck is going to happen going into next week. Next week is Thanksgiving, so it's a shorter trading week. We're heading then into December. Will there be a Santa Claus rally? Everything is still totally chaotic. So it's a messy, messy time out there. If we end up pushing higher, kind of the stair step way I look at this is first reach this high. So let's just call it 24,600, then the top of the cloud, then back up to here around 25, let's say 300. If it cannot get through that cloud and works its way lower, we're heading down to here. And this is what I was talking about yesterday, this super strong area of support, because here touched down, here it touched down, and here it touched down, all at that exact same level. If it breaches that, then we're talking about this at 23,037, 22,825, and then on and on lower. So we'll just leave it at that for now. But just a quick look at the 2 minute time frame to see how chaotic this was earlier today when I was attempting attempting to trade it. So this right here, 7:30, this is the open, and what an absolute mess. Tons of wick, up, down, red, green. This is a little early for Christmas. Spike down, fractal, push higher, spike up, fractal, down, fractal again to the low side, fractal again to the high side. I mean, come on. So that was a complete disaster. Like I said, I would have been better off just not trading at all this morning. It did eventually, work its way into a little bit of some follow through to the high side, pulled back a bit from that point. That's almost a 50% retracement from this move up. And then later in the day, got itself going on a little higher. That's a real nice looking candle, especially on a 2 minute time frame. And from there, couldn't really get anything going and just overall pretty much a choppy mess. So I hope that you were able to maintain your sanity through this chaos, maintain your accounts, or worst case scenario, just hit your max loss and call it good. My early Black Friday Trader Bundle sale does end tonight at midnight. There's a link down below if you'd like to check it out. Basically, it's buy one, get three free. For the price of one of my programs, you're getting three additional programs. And why did I bundle all this stuff together? Well, it's really the journey that I took to figure out trading. First, I learned how to trade the basics. Then I jumped up to futures where I was like, okay, cool. Let me work on profiting around $300 a day. That's where I started. Then I learned how to trade multiples. So that's what I teach in Micro Trading Masterclass. After that is when I first learned about trader funding. It took me a while to figure out how to pass that thing. But once I did that a number of times, I created a course called How to Get Funded. That's talking about Apex Trader funding. And finally, Peak Performance Trader is really my sweet spot because my quote unquote real job is as a mindset coach. I've been doing that going on nearly 2 decades now. So that's where I was able to bring the mindset stuff, the high performance stuff, and blend that in with what I know about trading. So you'll get all of those for the investment of one single course. And like I said, that ends tonight. I'd love to see you inside and help you out. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.